In the year 2045, science had advanced immensely, and one breakthrough was the invention of nanorobots. These tiny machines were so small that they could enter the human body and perform tasks that would improve health. Dr. Emily Carter, a brilliant scientist, was leading a project that aimed to send a nano-robot into the human brain to explore its mysteries. One sunny morning, Emily gathered her team in the laboratory. There were 5 other scientists: Tom, Mia, Raj, Alex, and Sarah. All of them were excited and nervous, knowing that they were about to create history. "Today," Emily said, "we will send our nanorobot, named Neura, on its first journey into the brain of a live volunteer." The volunteer, a brave and adventurous man named Jake, smiled as he lay on the operating table. "Are you ready?" Emily asked Jake, who nodded without hesitation. The team carefully injected Neura into his bloodstream. The tiny robot quickly made its way through his veins, eventually reaching the blood-brain barrier. The team watched nervously. They had designed Neura to be safe, but the unknown always held risks. As Neura passed through the barrier, it entered the brain. Inside, it discovered a labyrinth of neurons and synapses, all firing signals. Neura's sensors activated, and it began sending data back to the team. "Look!" Mia shouted in excitement. "We can see real-time images of Jake's brain!" Neura floated through the brain, changing colors and shapes as it carefully examined the surrounding structures. It could detect emotions and thoughts flowing like rivers through the neural pathways. Suddenly, it sensed something unusual. A dark area began to glow faintly, almost as if it were alive. Neura zoomed closer, its curiosity overwhelming. Back in the lab, the team noticed the change in Neura's readings. "What is that?" Raj asked, worried. "It's never shown this before." The dark area was the result of a dormant memory, a trauma locked deep within Jake's subconscious. Emily felt a pang of concern. Should we pull Neura back? She wondered. But Jake, still aware of what was happening, spoke up. "Let it go. I want to see what it finds." The team exchanged worried glances, but they trusted Jake. Neura approached the dark spot, hesitating only briefly before preparing to delve deep into Jake's mind. As Neura entered the area, it was met with a flood of images. There were flashes from Jake's pasta car crash, a moment of panic, and the cries of those he loved. Neura processed the emotions swirling around. Understanding that this was a place of deep hurt, it began to interface with the memories, trying to understand them. Suddenly, an unexpected surge of energy erupted from the dark area. It felt as if the memories were trying to escape. The whole brain began to light up with chaotic activity. "What's happening?" Sarah cried out, her voice filled with fear. "Neura is being overwhelmed."